Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks or ETFs on Webull platform using mobile application or desktop computer. In first part of the video, I will share with you how to buy stocks on mobile application. In the second part of the video, I will share with you how to buy stocks on desktop computer. I put a timestamp in the description so you can choose which part you want to watch, or you can watch the entire video. I have been using Webull for almost 2 months, and on one hand, I was impressed. It is a great application with a lot of interesting and useful feature and capabilities for investor. But on the other hand, I was overwhelmed. It's too much and for beginner investor. So I decided to save your time and create a simple guide how to buy stock. I will do a screen sharing and you can see a step-by-step process. If you like anything from this video, please smash the like button. It will help me so much, and your time is very important. So please make sure you watch this video faster. Let's start with a quick recap. Webull is relatively new, zero commission, and without minimal deposit, an online trading platform that allows you to trade, as you can see here, stocks, options, exchange traded funds, cryptos. To be able to buy stock or ETF on Webull, you will need to first set up your Webull account, next pick up your winning stock or ETF, and finally fund your account. Now you're ready to buy, and Webull contains a lot of useful information that you as a beginner will not use, funny stuff. Let's skip that and focus only on what you need to know to execute a purchase order. Okay, let's start with mobile application. You need to download that first. Once you enter application, you will be on the My Position list. Let's start with how to change the theme to make it dark or black. So let's go to the menu on the bottom right and go to the settings, theme, and you can choose dark or bright. So dark looks like that, market, wish list. And if you go and change to white, actually from here you have two options. You have a quick trade, or you can go through the wish list. So let's review both of them. At the bottom you can see the logo, Webull logo. Click on that one. You will need to enter your password, and you will see your account details, and you will be able to use quick trade bottom on the left. Okay, let's click that one. And what you need, you need to choose a stock. Let's just choose AMC, for example. Now you can specify details on that one. Okay, then let's review another way. So you are on your wish list, and you want to find the stock, for example, AMC, and you can click trade on that one. Again, the same screen. Here you can see the chart with different dates. You can monitor the price. Also, you can place different type of orders. We as a beginner will use only limited market. Let's start with market one. Click side buy, and you can specify actually only quantity. So it might be only quantity. So let's use one. The next one is time in force. So it might be day or good to cancel. Click buy, cross check once again, and confirm. And now let's review the limit one. I like this one much better because you can control not only quantity but also the price. You can change the price in different ways. So you can click like that, you can scroll like that. For example, current price as we see here is at 10.85. So you believe that price might be 7. And now you may want quantity 1. Good to cancel. It means that order will be available for 60 days to be executed, and waiting for the price that you specified. Okay, extended hours. So this also you need to click yes. So it's something that will allow you, you see from 9:30 to 4 p.m. it's regular trading hours, and pre-market and after markets it's something that you want to use, because during those time you have more fluctuation and you can get your price over there as well. So let's click buy, and there is a large difference between your input price. And let's continue, and it's asking to cross check once again all the details. We see we're checking over here, everything is good. Let's confirm, jump pump, and you can go to open orders and see your details. What you can do, you can cancel order, you can change the order. For example, you decided, okay, price is too low, maybe let's change it to this one, or you can cancel. Let's cancel. Actually, that's all. If you find any value, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more video about investing. It's free for you and huge help for me. Now let's review how to buy stocks on Webull platform using desktop application. You want to visit webull.com, and after that you can go to the trade tab. Before we jump into details, let me show how you can easily switch the sim color. So you can go to the settings and then black or white. So I will show you how black looks like. I usually use black one because it's easy for eyes, but for this video, let's use white to make it brighter. Now let's back to the trade tab. You have few tabs here or one tabs, I don't know. So to make sure that uh, all in place, so let's set up a blank one, and you can open widget on widget settings, top right corner, and you can add any widgets that you will need. So let's start with wish list. Let's add order to see. Let's quickly arrange that in the right way. Then let's go to the stock tab, and you will need trade for sure, and you will need stock, for example, chart, and you may want to also see news. Yeah, you can read news about this, and that will be enough for beginners, I think. My position. So this is a stock that I'm currently holding. And now let's go to the trade widget. So I want to buy AMC stocks. I like watching movies, so I think everything will be good with that, for example. And I see that current price is almost $11, and its drop was today 5%, so a huge drop. And now you may want to connect all tabs. You see, we change here, and you will need to do like that, and it's annoying, yeah. But how you can do it in different ways, so I will show you. So you can group. So for example, you can set up a number 2 IMC. So now go here and it will be IMC. Go over here. You all set, and you can move forward. You see the bid and ask price. You can choose the side. It is a buy for now for us. You can choose the order type. There are a lot of them, so we will focus as a beginners only for market and limit. Let's start with market. On market one, what does it mean? So you can see the detailed explanation here. So market order is to buy or sell stock at the current market price, and due to market fluctuations, the market price might change when the order waits to be filled. Yeah, so you can control only quantity over here, so you can choose the number of stock, and that's all. Actually, you can change anything. Okay, so you may want to place an order. Let's try. Yeah, I cannot place an order because it's off trading hours, and you can place order only from 4 a.m. to 20 p.m. Okay, so let's change another order, limit one. So that's default one, and I like to use one as well. Limit order is to buy or sell stocks when the market price reach a specific price or better. Limit orders help to lock down profits but don't guarantee execution. So In addition to the quantity, you can control the price, and you can put any price that you want. For example, you believe that price will be $5 for MC, and you will wait for that one. Also, how long you can wait? You can wait 1 day, yeah, and you can wait good till cancel. What does it mean, good to cancel? So it means that you will wait actually 60 days, and if the price will be at the level that you specify, the order will be executed. And next one, you want to use the extended hours. So it means that you will be waiting not only during from 9 till to 9:30 to 4 p.m. Also, you will be waiting for before from starting from 4 a.m. till 20 p.m. And that's all. Now you can place an order. It's asking to cross-check the price. Continue. It's asking to cross-check everything, quantity, order types. We're checking everything is good. Okay, buy and submit successfully. It was updated, and you can see your order is in line, waiting for the price, and you can see it's on the chart as well. So you can go and modify or cancel. So let's modify an example to 8 and cross-check once again. Commission is 0. Buy. Okay, now you're waiting at the level at $8. Okay, that's amazing. You see. And if you want to cancel, for example, for some reason, you just go here and cancel. If you find any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more video about investing. It is free for you and huge help for me. Check my other video, how to sell stocks on Webull platform. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.